Hello guys, how are you? Today video is awesome for you and it's a beautiful and stylish tutorial. It's an amazing wedding hairstyle. So don't skip the video. This is one of the best video for bridal hairstyle. Now this back comb and apply hairspray. Now work with small sections. Loosen up each section and apply hairspray. Secure your section with hairpins, and these pins are special pins for the hairstyle. It's important to use a lot of hairspray. She makes it look easy, and it's a very easy and amazing hairstyle of bridal. Let's do the top hair pieces on the top area. Now use a donut bun maker to add volume for this bun. This bun is easily available in any shop. Cover it with hair. I hope this is very amazing. So create the same effect in the front. It's an amazing style. She's doing an amazing work, and when it is completed, so you are very surprised to see this. Our classic hairband style. You are watching Fashion Store every time brings for you very special videos. So I hope if you are newly in my channels, please subscribe. Looking so pretty, looking so amazing and very beautiful. This hairstyle you are watching. Now it is going to be completed. In the next hairstyle it's also very amazing. So don't skip the video. Videos will continue. It is a masterpiece you are watching. In the next video, we are showing you amazing style. She's looking like a Barbie. I hope you also like. Make 4 portions and then curl any portion in this style. Curl all the portions of the hairs. This is also very amazing style of bridesmaids and party wear. So you make these types of portion and curl it with curler. If you do not have curl, so you can apply rollers. Through the rollers, you can apply these types of curls. This hairstyle is also very amazing and beautiful hairstyle. And her look is also very look like Barbie. And also she is very beautiful, and the hairstyle is also very beautiful and stylish, and she is looking very gorgeous in this hairstyle. He is professional for the hair colors and the hairstyles. So don't skip the video and watch this video till the end, because this hairstyle is looking very amazing and also very beautiful. So I hope that you like my today video. It is going to be completed. So what about today video? I hope that you liked my today video. If you are newly in my channel, so please subscribe Fashion Store.